The head valve controls the flow of air into the cylinder. When the trigger is pulled, it creates an imbalance in pressure between the cylinder and the air reservoir. This imbalance allows the head valve to open, which fires the piston. Over time, the sills on the head valve can harden and crack. The valve body itself can also crack. When this happens, you will usually have air leaking from the gun's exhaust. Replacing the head valve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, chicken mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the head from the nail gun. I'll remove the old head valve from the head. You'll notice that there's 2 O-rings on the head valve, and I'll go ahead and remove them. In the bottom of the head valve, there's a steel washer, and I'll remove it. Now I can install the new head valve. First, I'll replace the O-rings, and I'll place the washer back into the bottom of the head valve. And I'll place the head valve back into the head. Now I can reinstall the head. I'll place the screws with the bumpers back onto the head, and then I'll place the gasket over the screws. And now I can place this assembly back onto the nail gun. And that's all it takes to install a new head valve in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.